Welcome to the Fixit channel, and this is another video in our series of where do we download specific software that might be useful. So this video is about Gimp. What is Gimp? Well, it's a equivalent to Photoshop. It's a free image manipulation program, if you want. It's a free program that will let you, of course, do some retouch, and it's very powerful. I mean, it's almost as powerful as Photoshop in doing picture modifications, and it's a pretty powerful tool, totally free of charge, of course. And it has some, of course, once again, it's never 100%, but it does have some compatibility with photoshopped images. So here's where you download it. The link to the download will be in the description below the video. This is the latest stable version of Gimp, version 2.10.6 as of this video's release, and it's 19th August 2018 version. Of course, works on Windows. You also have versions for Linux, Mac OS, and and Windows, of course. So just download the version directly. You can download via BitTorrent link, and which a lot of people say, well, that's illegal. It's not, because this is free software that's free. It's legal to download it via BitTorrent. BitTorrent isn't in itself something illegal. It's simply a tool for making download easy on most software. And of course, it takes some of the pressure off of the servers from the companies. But you can, of course, you don't have BitTorrent or nothing. Just click the Download Gimp directly button right here, and you'll have it on your PC. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and the link is in the description. So just click there to get directly to Gimp software.